How to remove payment method on Facebook page. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can remove your payment method from Facebook page, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to go ahead and then basically remove your payment account on Facebook page, you just have to go to business.facebook.com first and log into your account. I repeat, business.facebook.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Now once you've done that, on the bottom left, simply look for the option called settings and then make sure to click on settings. And once you click on settings, you should be able to see all these options again, where you simply need to go to the option known as billings and payments. So once you go to billings and payments, you're going to be able to see this type of interface here, where you can simply again go to payment methods. And once you go to payment methods, you should be able to go ahead and then basically figure out the payment method that you want to remove, and you'll find a card or whatever else you added, and then you'll be able to remove them. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically remove your payment method on Facebook page. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.